So hello guys, this is Ekansh Jain and you are watching Stumbling On. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about hue, saturation and brightness. We are going through the core concept to the practical application as well. So I am very excited and I hope you are too. So let's get started. Let's understand hue, saturation and brightness with a small animation. Look at the text. Hue is what color? This determines the core color of our object. Second is saturation. Saturation tells us how much color. So this determines that how much color we want in a photo. And third is brightness. So brightness determines the amount of lightness or darkness we want in a photo. So before starting the video, let's first understand what is hue, saturation and brightness. Let's take an example. Everything you see around yourself, or in fact any item or any object you see around yourself, has its some hue, saturation and brightness. Let's take an example. Let's talk about this pen. What you think its color is? Yeah, this is yellow in color. So it has its some hue, saturation and brightness, which is giving this color to this pen. So basically hue, saturation and brightness are the three distinct elements of a color. As you can see, my screen is blank. There is nothing on my screen. Let me open my color palette. Let me select H. H stands for hue. So as we have discussed earlier, hue is what color. So as I scroll up and down, the color changes. You can easily see the change in color in the second palette. So hue determines what color do we need in a photo. Now let's go to S, saturation. So as we have discussed, saturation tells us how much color we want in a photo. So as I scroll down, the amount of color decreases, and as I scroll up, the amount of color in a photo increases. So it is very much clear with this example. Now let's select B. Here B stands for brightness. So brightness tells us the amount of light we want in a photo. So as I scroll up, the amount of light increases and our color is becoming more and more bright. And as I scroll down, our photo is becoming dark. And now as a practical application, let's apply hue saturation layer to our object. So here I have taken a car as my object. I can change the color of this car. I can apply pretty much good animation to this car, and I can also apply some cool designs, like give cool look to my car. So let's get started. First select this layer, click on this, create a hue saturation layer. As you can see, this dialog box appears. Here it contains all the three elements which we have discussed so far, that is hue, saturation and lightness. So we are going to control all of the three one. So select this icon. So this icon tells us the area of interest. The area of interest means that which color you want to change. So here I am going to select my orange color because my whole car is orange and I want to change the color of my car. Now if I make any changes to the hue, the color of my car is going to change. Now let's change the color of my car. Adjust the hue as per your interest. So I am making it green. Yeah, this is looking quite nice. Now you can so if you want, you can play with the saturation. Let's make saturation good. As we have discussed, saturation is the amount of color we want in a photo. So this is looking quite nice. Now let's adjust lightness. So basically lightness, as we have discussed, lightness is the amount of light we want in a photo. So if I take it all the way left, you can see the colors are becoming very dark. And if I take it all the way right, our colors is becoming bright. So let's take it somewhere in the between. Yeah, this is looking quite good. Now as you can see, the color of my car has changed. This is before and this is after. And yeah, if you want to create some designs to your car, how will you going to do this? Now this is an interesting part. Press Ctrl and I. to invert our layer mask or to invert our hue saturation layer. Now what can I do? Just select the pen tool and make the cool designs as you want. Here I am making just for fun. You can be little serious and make it as per your choice. So here I have made an design to my car. Now right click on this and select make selection and press OK. Now this area has been selected. Now click on the hue saturation layer and press Alt and backspace with foreground color to the white. Don't forget to convert your foreground color to white. Now as you can see, a color has been changed or a new color design has been added to our object. Now press Ctrl and D to deselect an object, and if you can see, here are white lights or borders around this. To remove this, just hide the shape icon. Now you can see there is no such white line and your car is given a very beautiful design with the new color. You can also change the color with adjusting this. So you can put it to any color which you want. So isn't this pretty much good? I hope this helped you very much. There are many other applications of hue saturation adjustment. So that's all for this video. Now it's time for the small recap what we have learned in this video. First, hue is what color, saturation how much color, and brightness the amount of light in your photo. Hope this video helped you a lot, and if it did, please tell me in the comment box and give us a like. And before going, don't forget to subscribe our channel and press bell icon for the recent updates. Thank you.